English speaking course.
Much, many.
What else do we need?
Milk, we're out.
Oh, right. I need many milk. My breakfast isn't right without milk.
Yeah, I need milk too. I'll grab 3 cartons. How many do you need?
We won't go shopping again until this weekend, so 3. I'll buy 3.
Cool. So 6 cartons total. What's next?
Bread. I need many bread. That's for my breakfast too.
Good choice. Hey, quick question. Do you know what milk and bread have in common?
They're for my breakfast?
True, but that's not what I mean.
They're getting more expensive?
Haha, not wrong, but try again. Let's see how many ideas you've got. Probably not many.
They go with much, not many.
Bingo. Many is for countable nouns like apples or cars, and much is for uncountable nouns like milk, bread, or money.
Ugh, I always forget it.
Sorry, man. I didn't mean to make you feel bad.
That's fine. Thanks to you, now every time I see milk and bread, I'll think of this rule.
Yeah, I think of something else.
What's that?
Cheese.
Cheese? Why cheese?
Milk, bread, cheese. What does that make?
Uncountable nouns go with much.
No, dummy. It's grilled cheese. Let's get some cheese.
Can I take a pie?
Dad, what are you doing?
Hey, sweetie, I'm just having some pints here. What's up?
Pints? Can I take a pint?
Ugh. First of all, we say, can I have a pint?
Why is that, Dad?
We say have when we eat or drink something, and take when we grab or move something.
Okay, so Dad, can I have a pint?
I don't think that's a good idea, honey.
Why not?
You can't have that. Not right now.
Then when can I have a pint?
When you're 21 and...
That's 9 more years? That's too long.
I know, sweetheart, but that's the rule.
Why?
If I let you have one, the police could take me away.
What? Really?
Yes, really.
Oh no, Grandma's in danger.
What? Why is Grandma in danger?
Because the police will take her away.
Why will the police take Grandma away?
Because she let me have a pint.
Grandma let you have a pint? When did that happen?
Last week, she was making an apple pint. She gave me a slice. Dad, I don't want Grandma to go to jail. What should I do?
Okay, Sydney. Listen carefully. Say this with me. Pie.
Pie?
Yes, apple pie, not apple pint.
Oh, so what's a pint? I hear you say it a lot.
That's this. A pint of beer. Do you want one?
Ugh, nope. No thanks, Dad.
You almost gave me a heart attack, you know?
Hang out, go out.
So, Tracy?
Yeah? What's up?
Do you want to go out with me?
Mark, you're really nice. You're smart, funny, and good-looking.
You think I'm good looking?
I'm sure a lot of people do, but that's not the point.
Then what is the point?
The point is, I can't. I'm sorry.
Oh, don't be sorry. We can go another time.
No, you don't get it. There is no another time.
Why not?
Because I have a boyfriend.
Oh, so, can you and your boyfriend go out with me?
What? What are you talking about?
I don't mind, really. I just want to see the new movie.
Hold on. When you asked me to go out, you meant...
I meant going to the cinema. None of my friends like movies except you.
Oh, you meant hang out.
Hang out, go out. Aren't they the same?
Not really. Go out sounds romantic. Like, you want to be my boyfriend.
Oh, nope. That's definitely not what I meant.
I'm glad you cleared that up.
So, do you and your boyfriend want to hang out this Saturday afternoon? Zootopia 2?
Yeah, sure. Everyone is, everyone are.
Joe speaking.
Hey, Joe. Everyone are here. Where are you?
I'm almost there. Just 10 more minutes.
Everyone are waiting for you.
I'm coming.
All right. See you.
Hey, Kim. This is from my mom. She made some cookies.
Oh, your mom's cookies are the best.
Sorry, I'm a bit late.
No worries. Come on. Everyone are in the backyard.
Everyone is in the backyard? Did they start cooking already?
Yeah. Wait. You said everyone is in the backyard. Why's that?
Because you just told me.
No, I mean, isn't it everyone are?
No. The correct way is everyone is.
Why? Doesn't everyone mean all people? That sounds plural.
I know it feels plural, but in English, everyone is singular.
What?
Yeah, it sounds weird, right?
So I should say everyone is happy or everyone is dancing.
Yep. Or everyone is in the backyard.
Oh, okay. Good to know. Thanks.
You're welcome. Now come on, let's get some food. I'm starving.
Oh yeah, everyone is starving.
What is it called? What are you looking for?
That thing.
That thing?
I don't know, Pam. I don't remember its name.
Can you describe it? Maybe I can help.
It's about this long. I think it's made of metal.
What do you use it for?
To beat.
Beat? Who do you want to beat?
No, Pam, I want to beat eggs.
Oh,
That thing. How is it called?
a whisk? You're looking for a whisk.
Yes, that's it. Thank you.
By the way, just a small English tip.
Yeah?
We usually say, what is it called, not how.
Really?
Yeah. What is for nouns, like names and things. How is for the way you do something.
Oh, I see. What is it called? Got it.
Perfect. Let me know if you have any other questions.
Sure, I do have one more question.
What's that?
Where's the whisk?
Do make mistake. Finally, it's Friday. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I do. I'm going to spend the whole weekend feeling terrible.
You sound really down. What happened?
I did a mistake. I sent the wrong price list to the wrong client.
Oh my, did you tell your boss?
Not yet. I'm scared. What if he fires me over this?
He's not going to do that.
Rachel, it's really serious. I did a serious mistake. How can I fix it?
Let's see. Which client did you send the wrong price list to?
Mrs. Sternwell.
Oh, Mrs. Sternwell, don't worry. Just send her another email and explain the mistake.
Are you sure?
Yes, I know her. She's very nice and understanding.
Oh, what a relief. Thanks for helping me fix it.
Speaking of fix, let me help you fix one more thing.
What's that?
You said you did a mistake.
Yes, I did a mistake.
In English, we say made a mistake, not did a mistake.
Oh, made a mistake?
Right. We make mistakes, decisions, or plans. We do homework or exercise and
That's confusing, but okay. I made a mistake. Actually, two.
haha, but the important thing is you fix both of them.
You're right. Thank you, Rachel.
Really. Very.
How's the chicken, sweetie?
It's so good, Mom. I very like this chicken.
Thank you, honey. I'm glad you like it.
Emma, can you pass me the salt?
Here you go, Dad.
Thanks, honey. And by the way, what you said earlier.
About the chicken?
Yes, you said, I very like this chicken.
Yeah, it's delicious.
I'm happy you enjoy it, but there's a small thing about how you said it.
What do you mean?
We don't say I very like, we say I really like.
Dad's right. Really goes with verbs like really like or really want.
When do we use very?
Very goes with adjectives like very good or very happy.
So, this chicken is very tasty, and I really like it.
Perfect, sweetie.
If grammar lessons at school were this tasty, I'd remember them better.
Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.